All right, today I'm really excited to catch up with Kerry Tarnow. He's got a great channel all about prefab that's really informative. And we were really fortunate to have him come visit our factory and do a great video on the Uno, our 1-bedroom unit. And Kerry, when you visited, you named the video, I went to Texas to visit the newest prefab home in America. And that was really no joke because we finished this unit. Honestly, we were still doing things the night before, including completing the cabinetry, installing light fixture trims, putting in the appliances, painting, cleaning, and getting it all ready for your visit. And I'm sure the paint was wet and everything was just getting finished. We had guys walking out the door as you were walking in the front door.
Yeah, they don't get much newer than that, that's for sure.
Yeah, that's right. And if you haven't seen Kerry's video, I'll put a link to it below. So please be sure to check that out. I think one of the things that's really great about the way you approach your videos is really thinking through how a user would use the space and what features, people are looking for. Tell me, what were some of the features that you really liked about the Uno unit?
Yeah, so there was a pretty long list in the Uno, and one of the things that I look for is that people maybe can't see from your website, or if they're sitting at home, is how the home feels. So I think the Uno is 620 square feet, but one of the things that I noticed when I walked in was it felt bigger than that. And I think some of the factors contributing to that were the high ceilings. I believe it's 10 feet. You've got the almost floor to ceiling windows in the living room. And then you've got that nice full-size kitchen that is going to allow whoever's living in it to cook basically whatever they want. So those were the biggest takeaways. And then a couple smaller features that I liked was just some of the details, like the wall feature where you had the TV mounted. That just kind of takes it to another level and makes it feel a little more homey by adding a little bit of a design aspect to it.
Well, that's great. I know you see a lot of prefab, so we appreciate all your insights in making these videos. And since we were rushing to get this unit complete, I've done a little video with some updates on what we've done, so I'll share that. But please be sure to check out Kerry's video, and would love to have you come back again.
Definitely. Let's plan on it.
All right. Thanks.